Do you think let's say you get the union certified, you're an employee of the union, that it's also an employee of Starbucks, can the union have leverage if it's just one Starbucks store?
I think that's a great question. I think this is the beginning. You know, a movement has to start somewhere, and it needed to start with one store. And I think, just like you said in your introduction, this is a new wave for the labor movement in Buffalo, for organized labor. Workers are standing up and demanding that they get the respect that they deserve for the profits that are earned off of our backs. And so I think what we need to do now is we need to have Starbucks acknowledge that this union exists. We need to get them to the bargaining table, hopefully sooner rather than later. And then we negotiate that contract. And it's that contract that is going to allow for other stores to want to follow in our footsteps. You know, we get a great contract, and, you know, what would be the loss of signing on?
So you believe that Starbucks may give workers at your Starbucks a better deal than the 200,000 other workers get at other Starbucks?
Well, I know that, you know, I would certainly never sign a union contract where I was getting less than I'm getting now. So yes, I would hope that they would. I mean, they're a progressive company. Starbucks has always claimed that they were a company that stood with their workers and stood with the community, and that they were you know, a prince among men, better than a lot of the companies in this country for what they offer for their workers. Their mission and values says that it's, you know, what they want to do is continue to challenge the status quo, and they can lead by example. I mean, they can set an example for other businesses in the service industry and, you know, take some of the stigma and the fear out of unionizing and say, you know what, it would be nice to hear from our hourly workers. It would be nice to have a voice from them, because nobody knows how to run these stores better than the people who are on the floors every day.
Well, if you're not taken seriously, would you ever go on strike?
I think there are definitely options in the future. I mean, I hope that they would take us seriously. We're their brand, you know, we're their name, and they've not really led by example so far in terms of how they've fought this union from the moment we went public. I think that could potentially hurt them in the long run. Certainly public persona to Starbucks is very important. They're a globally recognized brand. So it would be in all of our best interests to get to that bargaining table as quickly as possible.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.